friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful princess castle together. Are you ready? Let's start. With many small semicircles of different sizes, draw the first large cloud. Draw the second cloud. Draw the third smaller cloud. Start tracing the castle towers behind the clouds by drawing two rectangles. Draw a horizontal line to join the two towers, then alternate small horizontal lines with vertical ones to form the battlements of the castle walls. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw the castle door with a vertical line, a semicircle and another vertical. Draw the battlements on the towers, alternating small horizontal lines with vertical ones. Draw the final part of the tower, first a vertical line, two diagonal lines in the shape of a triangle, another vertical line and a horizontal one. Then draw a small rectangle for the door. Do the same thing for the second tower. Now draw two taller towers in the central part of the castle and draw a small horizontal line onto the battlements already drawn. Draw two flags with a vertical line and a small triangle. Now draw 8 curved lines to draw a beautiful rainbow between the clouds and the castle. Wow! Our castle turned out really well! Good job! state the colors. Color the first semicircle of the rainbow with red. Use orange for the second semicircle. Use yellow for the third semicircle and for the doors and flags. Use green for the first semicircle of the rainbow. Use indigo for the fifth semicircle and for the clouds. Use blue for the sixth semicircle. And use purple for the last semicircle. Now use light pink for the battlements of the castle. Use darker pink for the towers at the top. Use light purple for the roof of the towers and the wall at the bottom of the castle. Excellent! The castle turned out really well and is ready to host the prince and princess. Goodbye friends, see you soon!